Now let's consider few things. Job is government job, or it is private job, or self-employed, or business. These are the four major distributions. I think you will accept this. There are four major distributions. Either you say that I am in a government job, or you say I am in a private job, or you are in your own business, own self-employed, or you are having a business wherein, say, there is a factory, or there is something, there is a shop or something. So you are doing a pure business. So these four things, four divisions are there. Now, how to differentiate? The first is if Sun and Jupiter are together. Sun and Jupiter combination gives you government job. Important thing. Let's forget about anything else, but Sun and Jupiter connection is important. This private job, Saturn and Lagnesh are strong, but Sun and Jupiter are weak. Sun or Jupiter is weak, and Saturn is connected. Saturn is connected to the 10th house. You can say that. And Sun is weak or Jupiter is weak. So you don't get a government job, you get a private job. You are self-employed when 10th Lord, 9th Lord, Lagna Lord, Saturn, Jupiter and Mercury all are strong. You should be intelligent when you are in self-employed. When you are intelligent, you are doing your own work. So Jupiter is also important because you are doing business. Saturn is important because you are giving service. And Bhagya, 9th Lord, 10th Lord, Karma should be strong. Lagna Lord, you should have a self-confidence. So all these things, if are strong, then only you are self-employed. This is the most difficult work, because throughout the life, you keep working.
ये वाला एग्जांपल टीचर के लिए हो सकता है ना सर, जो ट्यूशन देते हो या जो लेक्चरर्स हो, ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड के लिए.
If they are employed with somebody, say teacher could be employed in the university. So then he doesn't. Then only Jupiter has to be strong. That's all.
Okay.
For business, powerful Jupiter connected to the 10th house. Only Jupiter is connected to the 10th house gives business. Straight, simple. Let's see this, how this is there. Let's see with example. Now,
Can I give my example?
Huh?
Nothing.
Then now look at this IS. Jupiter and Sun. They are respecting each other. Sun is in the house of Jupiter. Lagna is, you can see this, Sun is Lagnesh.
Right.
So it is powerful. And it is being respected by Jupiter. So Sun-Jupiter combination happens to be there. For private job, now Jupiter is with Saturn, and Sun is not that strong here. Sun is Jupiter's house, but Jupiter is weak here. Jupiter, you can see that Jupiter is weak. Jupiter is debilitated.
Right.
Shani has become important here. So Shani becomes more important than Jupiter. Then you get a private job. For CA, now this, he has to have everything good. Saturn is sitting in the Lagna. Sun and Jupiter, they are together. And 10th Lord is Saturn. 10th Lord is important. 9th Lord is important. Lagnesh is important. So all are, Lagnesh is aspecting Lagna. Saturn is the key planet here. 9th Lord, 10th Lord in the Lagna.
So for CA, we can consider Mercury also.
Huh?
So for CA, we can consider Mercury also.
Mercury also, yes, we'll see that part later, but we are saying that he's working for himself. So Jupiter and Sun are together. That combination is also there, but there it is not so strong that he becomes if Jupiter and Sun were there in the 9th house, he might have been in the government job.
Right.
अगर सन जुपिटर 9th हाउस में आ जाते तो ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाते ना, ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे तो फिर वो गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो जाएगी।
जी जी।
अभी थोड़ा इसलिए सैटर्न यहाँ पे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया, तो इसलिए उसकी प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस होगी। और बिजनेस के लिए देखिए यहाँ पर बिजनेसमैन जुपिटर इज डायरेक्टली एस्पेक्टिंग दी
10th house.
And Jupiter is in 10th lord. Jupiter is in the house of 10th lord. 10th में जो planet sitting in the 10th house. Mars is
अच्छा ठीक है right.
उसके घर में बैठा हुआ है।
सर ये जो थर्ड एग्जांपल है सीए वाला, इसको हम सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड कंसीडर कर रहे हैं। थर्ड सीए वाला जो है सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड कंसीडर कर रहे हैं इसको।
Yes, CA is a self-employed person. Astrologer is a self-employed person.
Doctor is also
self-employed person.
तो सर इसमें जैसे सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड की कंडीशन है 10th लॉर्ड, 9th लॉर्ड, लग्ना लॉर्ड, सैटर्न, जुपिटर, मरकरी ऑल आर स्ट्रांग।
हाँ।
तो इसमें सैटर्न स्ट्रांग हो गया, 10th लॉर्ड 9th लॉर्ड भी स्ट्रांग हो गया, लग्ना लॉर्ड वीनस इज इन 7th हाउस व्हिच इज आल्सो ओके, मून के साथ है, और जुपिटर एंड मरकरी दो 8th हाउस में है, मतलब जुपिटर ओन साइन में है
with themselves. जुपिटर और सन की रिलेशनशिप है, मेन बात ये है, they are together.
क्योंकि सर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड में ये रिलेशन नहीं था, जो कंडीशन अभी जो पिछली स्लाइड में था।
हाँ नहीं, और हमने बाकी पढ़े भी नहीं है ना सारे। Self-employed में second lord, 10th lord, 11th lord are well placed in auspicious houses, and Saturn, Jupiter, and Mercury are well placed in Kendra Trikon. The natives is self-employed. Actually, here another other condition is that Jupiter and Sun are also connected. Then actually it is a kind of business. So Jupiter and Sun, if they are connected, and then it becomes or Jupiter is connected to the 10th house. It becomes a job, a business, and self-employed is a business. यहाँ पर जो हमारा था
सर बिजनेस में 7 लॉट के साथ एसेंडेंट लग्ना लॉट का कोई रिलेशन देखने का जरूरी नहीं है ना। 7 लॉट कहाँ पर है, 7 लॉट का 10 लॉट का लगन लॉट का कोई रिलेशन बिजनेस में देखना जरूरी है।
बिजनेस में क्या देखना,
7 लॉट के साथ लगन लॉट का कोई कनेक्शन और 10 लॉट के साथ 7 लॉट का कोई कनेक्शन, कोई रिलेशन, ये देखने का जो 7 लॉट जो है जहां पर बिजनेस हम देखते हैं, उसके साथ
10th लॉट नहीं है। 7th लॉट का कनेक्शन देखने का जरूरत नहीं होता।
ओके सर, ओके।
मेन तो 10th लॉर्ड शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, लग्ना शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, दो ही चीजें हैं। The first and foremost thing is that lagna should be strong and 10th lord should be strong. Then one will be doing business, self-employed.